Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMate Beauty, and today we're going to see how to insert audio inside the slide on your WPS presentation on the mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below we just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert audio in your WPS presentation mobile on the slide I just going to show. So first of all, you just need to click on this. I just going to add audio in this blank slide. So click on this icon option. Now you need to go to the insert tab and just scroll down, and here you can find an option called audio on the below the background music and above the video. You have two options. You can directly record the audio by clicking here, so you can just directly use this audio to record and you can just insert it. Otherwise, click on this option and click on the music folder and just insert the audio from your mobile phone. So after inserting the audio, you can just resize the thing and just going to place it on the center, and you can see an option to change the music or change the audio. You can have a come top, forward, backward and bottom option. So this is how you just insert audio on your slide, and you can just play it and you can just show it on your presentation. This is how you just insert audio on WPS presentation on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.